Hey guys, my name's Searle. I've just recently left the working world. So for the last 10 years I was working in mining, and my Mondays sucked because I woke up the same every Monday as most people do, thinking it's Monday and it's just the same thing over and over again. But now that I've left that and now I'm unemployable by choice, I have this reinvigorated feel that my Monday now means something. I can now help others achieve what I've achieved and feel that love of Monday that we really should feel. I love to make a difference in helping others and coaching them through the process that it takes to follow their passion, to live their dream, and to love Mondays.